Since Shanghai rolled out its garbage sorting campaign, it's a bit of tricky finding the right cans to toss your trash in. You can't leave your glass bottle anywhere, but that means business opportunities for recycling companies. After dropping my waste beer bottle in the neighborhood, the bottle will be transferred to a larger garbage sorting station where different types of glass are sorted in a more organized manner. Glass generated from construction waste and beverage bottles are segregated.
Recycled garbage is already sorted in the neighborhood, and we just sort them out again to make sure. We can get 3 to 4 tons of glass. Most of them are wine bottles.
Once the garbage sorting station collects some 10 tons of glass, they will be transferred to a larger area for delivery to a factory that will see their rebirth. Shanghai Yanlongji Group, a glass recycling firm, began using its automatic optical sorting line in 2018. In the past, glass sorting was done manually, but automation helps make the glass recycling process more efficient. The firm can recycle 2 million tons of waste glass annually, the largest capacity worldwide.
One worker can only sort 2 tons of glass every day, but one production line can sort 60 tons of glass every hour.
Recycled glass will be sold to glass manufacturers for producing windows, beverage bottles, and car parts. Yao says the company has yet to break even. One production line costs more than $12 million, but 1 ton of recycled glass is worth less than $100. The company still believes the technology will yield promise someday, as garbage sorting becomes widespread across China.
The recycled glass can help reduce the use of minerals, which are used to produce brand new glass, and that will also help to reduce carbon emissions. Using recycled glass to produce new glass will also reduce the use of fuel oil.
As more cities enforce garbage sorting, glass recycling is expected to become more efficient and lucrative someday. Shanghai's Yanlongji Group also plans to set up 7 new factories nationwide.